my dear friends, praise Jesus and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be showing you this simple hairstyle today. If you are new here, you are very welcome. My name is Monica and you can support my channel by subscribing, liking and watching my video to the end, and also commenting in the comment section below. So today I'm showing you this simple look, and as you can see, I'm struggling to part my hair. Most of the time I struggle just to separate my hair. I think because my hair is very thick, or maybe because like for me, I do not like blow drying my hair. Like the last time I blow dried my hair was last year in December. So maybe if I would blow dry my hair, separating my hair would be very easy for me, but I just don't like it. So if you want to have that length and also just to grow your hair very healthy, you want to minimize on blow drying your hair, because blow drying your hair is not bad, but you know, too much of anything is not always good. So I'm going to create 2 flat twists on this side, and I will also create other flat twists on the other side, and the rest of my hair I'll just tie it in a half, as you will see in a few. So how is everything? What are you doing right now? Are you keeping it safe? And how is everything wherever you are? And how is the situation about everything that is happening, that is going on? So let us just continue trusting and waiting on God, and I know God is gonna do something about this, and He's gonna give us the solution we are waiting for. As you can see, I'm clearly struggling just to separate my hair, but no problem. I have come to just accept it, because even if the lines are not clear enough for me, I'm just okay with it. As long as the hairstyle is simple and cute and good looking, it is good to go for me. But if you can get your lines very clear, that is well and nice and good for you. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section below. So guys, have you ever thought of maybe you're praying about something and you feel discouraged? Maybe you feel like maybe you will never get the answers for your prayers, or maybe you feel you will never get a job, or maybe you feel maybe you will never get married, or maybe you'll be feeling maybe God is very far from you, or maybe you just feel maybe your prayers will never come to pass. Well, I'm here today to let you know that it will surely come. It's just a matter of time, and just trusting in God and staying put and still just waiting on God. God does not disappoint. He's not a man to lie, and he's not a human being to change his mind. Do you remember the story of Elijah in the Old Testament? Elijah was a man and a human being like us, and when he prayed that it should not rain for 3 years and a half, it never rained. And when he prayed again, it rained. So what does this mean for us as Christians? It only means one thing and one thing only, that God has given us the power and authority to speak to our situation, and also we have a role to play in our situations. So God has given us the power to trample on scorpion and snakes, and scorpion and snakes, it may be a different situation and circumstances in our life. So what you need to do, you just need to speak a word to your situation and just continue praying persistently. You remember that widow in Luke, the widow that was going to a judge for just to seek for justice, and the judge was not giving her the justice that she was looking for, but she continued to go there until the judge decided to give her justice. And remember, the judge said that this woman is just wearing me down. I have to give her what she needs. So if the unjust judge like him who does not know God or who doesn't know anything about God can do that to that widow, what about our loving God? He will give us everything that we request from him. We only need to be patient and just wait upon him. He will surely fulfill the desires of our heart. Never get discouraged, and the best encouragement you can ever receive from your life, it is from you. And do not expect people to encourage you all the time. Sometimes people will discourage you, but you have to keep on encouraging yourself. Encourage yourself with the word of God, and also whatever it may be, remember to celebrate every small step that you make in life. However little it may be, it is geared towards achieving your goal. So let us keep on trusting in God, and everything it shall be well. Do not worry and do not be anxious about anything, because God understands, and he tells us that we should cast our cares and our problems to him, because he loves us and he cares for us. And I hope you felt encouraged and this was helpful to you, because I really felt encouraged by these words. I was really encouraging myself. So it shall be well. Just keep on waiting on God, and surely when God will show up in your life, he will display his splendor and his glorious power in your life. You will not even believe yourself. So let's just wait on God. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And as you can see, I just finished making the twist in front of my hair. So I'm just going in just to create the puff with the rest of the hair, and I'm going in with that shoelace just to tie my hair and create a high puff, and I will be done. So this is a very simple look that you can wear on your natural hair. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle, if you're going to try it out, if it is very simple, if you think it is cute. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate. I do not take it for granted. I'm forever grateful, and just thank you so much. So as you can see, guys, I am done. So I'm just fluffing my hair just to make that sure that the puff is in the correct condition. So I am done. That's how it's looking like at the back and in front, just like that. Thank you so much for watching my video to this end. I really appreciate, and see you in my next video.